Welcome! Thank you so much for coming out today to the Holiday Inn Portland Columbia Riverfront. We're so excited to show you around a little bit of our meeting space, some of our guest rooms, and talk about all the changes that have been taking place here. We're the perfect venue for your meetings and events. Before we get started on our site tour, I wanted to show you our brand new expansive lobby. This is where our guests get a wonderful experience of check-in, check-out. This is our restaurant, Jansen Beach Bar and Grill. We serve breakfast, lunch, dinner, room service. One of our all-time favorite dishes is our Northwest fish and chips. And usually folks like to pair that with a pint of Northwest beer. Come on, let's go look at the ballroom.
Welcome to the Grand Ballroom. This is our largest ballroom out of our 19 meeting spaces. Come with me. So here we are in our Grand Ballroom. It is 18,000 square feet of pillar-free meeting space. It can accommodate up to 850 attendees in rounds or 2,000 people theater seating. And it also features beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows that overlook the Columbia River.
Welcome to the Mount St. Helens Ballroom. Let's check it out. Mount St. Helens Ballroom is just over 7,700 square feet, part of our total 41,000 square feet of meeting space. You can break it up into 4 equal sections, all of which overlook the Columbia River with the river terrace available as well.
Welcome to the Columbia River Event Center A. This is one of our brand new meeting spaces. We have 2 of them that were part of our big renovation that took place from 2019 to 2022 as part of becoming a Holiday Inn. The space is about 3,500 square feet. They're both about equal. They hold about 150 people in a social function really comfortably and a variety of sizes for meetings.
This is an example of one of our 320 guest rooms. We offer both standard and premiums, with the difference being the view. Our guest rooms also offer 2 vanities, balconies, and most of our rooms have double queen beds. In addition, we have 24 suites.
Thank you for spending a little bit of time with us today and allowing me to show you just a tiny bit of what this property has to offer. We have our 41,000 square feet of total meeting space. We have 320 guest rooms and suites. We have an outdoor pool and hot tub. We have a workout facility, tennis courts, pickleball, and an amazing staff here to welcome you. Thank you.